Okay, no? So, alam niyo naman ang Bini guys, no? Nasa ibang bansa na po ngayon guys, no? So, nag-arrive na po sila, no? So, very big shout kay Pop Updates, no? So, ito yung bago niyang channel guys, no? Subscribe po kayo kay Pop Updates, no? So, tingin tayo ng mga updates, no? Okay, tara.
Today was
Let's go.
absolutely heartwarming as the second batch of Beanie arrived at the airport. Bloom showed up giving Beanie such a
Okay, yan na po yung Bini guys, no? Nasa airport.
warm welcome. But what made this moment even more special was the unexpected support from foreigners. Here are some clips.
Huwag po kayo makinig.
Huwag po kayo makinig sa ni Mika.
Anna, what did she say?
Bye, Mika.
Ano?
Anna, what did she say?
So wala siyang idea kung sinabi ni Mika. Kada siguro ni Mika na Pinoy yung fan, no? Kasi mukha talaga siyang Pinoy, guys, no?
Anna, what did she say?
I have no idea what she's saying.
Bye, Mika.
So binalik ni Mika, guys, yung red hair trademark niya, guys, no?
Of course! Of course! Tinanong mo si Sheena kanina.
Ano sabi ni Sheena?
I don't know.
Search Beanie.
I'm pretty sure, guys, no, sa Coachella, no, ang Bini, no, talagang, actually, yung Coachella, guys, no, parang ilang weeks pa, no, pero ang aga nila rito, talagang gusto talaga nilang maganda yung performance nila, no, ahead of time talaga, no. Syempre, may stage blockings pa dyan, may mga tech run pa mangyayari dyan, guys, yan, kailangan nilang kabisaduhin yung kung paano yung dating nila ron, kung paano yung approach nila since bago sila sa pagpo-perform sa mga casual fans or sa mga foreign fans po talaga na iba-iba talaga guys, no, as in, no. And yun, and isa pang sinisigurado ko dyan guys, hindi pwedeng hindi na kantahin ng Pantropiko, no.
Of course! Of course! Tinanong mo si Sheena kanina.
Ano sabi ni Sheena?
I don't know.
Search Beanie. Search Beanie online. B-I-N-I.
Ito, siya yung fan, hindi niya kilala ang Bini, no.
No, it's okay.
Oh! Ang humble!
No.
Bakit mo nag-girlfriend na? Hanapin mo to, ah!
Yeah.
Sa Coachella.
Ano ba yan? Bye!
What's so wholesome about this is how naturally Beanie is gaining new fans, even internationally. You can see how curious and excited these new foreign fans were, and at the same time, how welcoming and friendly the Blooms are.
So halos
Today
lahat
was-
pala sa kanila, no, may kulay yung buhok, no. So yun lang yung updates natin sa Bini, no. So very big shoutout kay Pop Updates, no. So shoutout sa kanya, subscribe kayo dyan, no. So yun, tingin tayo na yung mga updates pa very very soon po, no. And isa lang to sa mga updates na nakikita na. So yun guys, maraming salamat. So DC Point signing out. Peace.